I request Dr. Snehal to accompany Professor Anita Saxena to the dais. Can we have the video, please?
It's a pleasure to introduce Dr. Anita Saxena. Dr. Anita is a well-known teacher, academician, mentor to many, researcher, and with a new role of an administrator at All India Institute.
It is my pleasure to say a few words about my colleague and senior Professor Anita Saxena, who has been an epitome of dedication for pediatric cardiology.
Professor Anita Saxena was a year senior to me in DM Fellowship Program at G.B. Pant Postgraduate Institute. She devoted her time extensively for pediatric cardiology and rheumatic heart disease.
It was indeed a great experience and a great pleasure working with ma'am in the pediatric cardiac unit at AIIMS New Delhi.
We had a very long professional association spanning over more than 3 decades, and between two of us we have literally treated hundreds and thousands of children.
Dr. Anita Saxena had joined G.B. Pant Hospital for DM cardiology. During her training, she was a brilliant student, extremely focused on her studies and clinical work, soft-spoken with excellent mannerism.
It is a matter of great privilege and pride for me to have been a part of the first batch of DM Pediatric Cardiology here at AIIMS. It has been an honor and an everlasting experience to train under Anita ma'am. Ma'am's passion and zeal to work for the patients and for the system has been inspiring for all of us.
First of all, I would like to say that she is a very hardworking and an inspiring woman. She is very much devoted to her work, which reflects in her achievements as well as her contribution to the society.
Having observed her from, shall we say, close quarters for 3 decades and a half, I dare say that she has an enormous capacity for work, an unparalleled enthusiasm for her profession, and an infinite appetite for doing the needful, whatever it might take, irrespective of the hurdles on the way.
After completing her training in cardiology from G.B. Pant Hospital, Dr. Anita joined All India Institute of Medical Sciences as a faculty member where she is there for last 35 years. At present, she is head of Cardiothoracic Center and academic dean at the prestigious All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. She was a founder member, secretary, and the president of Pediatric Cardiac Society of India. She was president of Asia Pacific Society of Pediatric Cardiology and Cardiac Surgery, and she is a founder member of Indian Academy of Echocardiography. Amongst her various research projects and contributions, her major work in rheumatic fever and rheumatic heart disease, her compilation of guidelines for management of congenital heart defects in children with Indian perspectives, and her major work on pulse oximetry screening in newborn for diagnosis of congenital heart defects. According to me, her biggest quality of getting people together and resolving her differences that has gave her today a very high administrative position at All India Institute of Medical Sciences. On professional front, I know that she is a great cardiologist, clinician, a researcher.
I found her very organized, professional and a sensitive person. And it is amazing how she has balanced life of a mother of industry topper children and a very demanding faculty position at AIIMS.
She has maintained a wonderful work-life balance and has not allowed work to come in the way of her responsibilities and demands for a family and social life. All her stress she has borne with a smile.
She has, in her lifetime, with full commitment and zeal, advanced this branch of cardiology, that is pediatric cardiology, and she has also shown that how a contribution to patient care, teaching and research is an example for the new generation to emulate.
Anita has kept her balance between personal and professional life so perfect that Dr. Anita Saxena today is a role model for many women cardiologists in the country. She may be retiring from her professional commitments at All India Institute maybe next month, but she'll always remain as a great clinician, researcher, academician, and a person with a deep interest in public health care.
Congratulations to her and thanks to PCSI for this honor. Having said this, she has not hanging up her boots as of now, and surely there is much more to come.
Pediatric Cardiac Society of India, it's honor to present you the Lifetime Achievement Award.
So I call upon Professor Ramakrishnan to read out the citation officially.
Thank you, Dr. Soro, and it's my honor and privilege to read out the official citation that we are going to present to Professor Anita Saxena, ma'am. Professor Anita Saxena graduated from Lady Hardinge Medical College in 1977, where she went on to pursue her residency in internal medicine. Subsequently, her specialization in cardiology from GB Pant Hospital. She joined the Department of Cardiology at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in 1985. She has had an immaculate career spanning over 3 decades in the institute and went on to become one of the most distinguished and respected professors in cardiology. Professor Saxena currently heads the Cardiothoracic Center in addition to discharging her services as the head of the Department of Cardiology. She is also the Dean Academics of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Despite these extremely busy administrative and academic responsibilities, Professor Saxena is always available to her patients and colleagues. Professor Saxena takes special interest in children with heart diseases, and she could be aptly identified as the authority on pediatric cardiology in the country. Her contributions in the field of rheumatic heart disease have received global recognition. As the co-chair of working group of task force on rheumatic heart disease set up by the World Heart Federation, she is an important part of the international effort to reduce the global burden of this disease. She is an astute researcher and has published more than 300 papers in national and international journals. She has delivered numerous lectures, orations at various national and international scientific meetings, apart from organizing quite a few. Professor Saxena has played a significant role in establishing the Pediatric Cardiac Society of India, the PCSI, and has stayed true to the motto of the society, that is, devoted to the attainment of optimal health for infants and children with heart diseases. Professor Anita Saxena embodies the finest qualities of a caring clinician, a sincere teacher, and a strong administrator, an honest researcher, and a great human being who believes in maintaining the highest standards in medical education and patient care. An entire generation of cardiologists have benefited from her teaching, equally impressive attitude towards patient care. The Pediatric Cardiac Society of India is honored to present the Lifetime Achievement Award to Professor Dr. Anita Saxena. Thank you.
May I request Professor Reddy to hand over the citation to Professor Saxena? May we have the honor of Professor Khalilullah handing over the plaque to Professor Saxena? May I now request Dr. Snehal Kulkarni to hand over the memento to Professor Saxena? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sirs. May I request Professor Anita Saxena to come on the podium and say a few words of wisdom to us.
Good afternoon. Good morning. I'm really very honored and privileged to have my teachers and my senior, Dr. Khairullah, Dr. Reddy, and all the members present here, including my departmental colleagues, to have come here today. It's been really a huge honor to accept this Lifetime Achievement Award from Pediatric Cardiac Society of India, an organization which has been very dear to me right from its inception. In fact, I was one of the founding members and the founding secretary along with Dr. Srivastava when this organization started way back about 2 decades ago. And I feel that this society has really grown leaps and bounds over these last 20 years or so. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all those who have shaped my career spanning more than 3.5 decades of what I am today. First and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude to Professor Raj Tandon, who was my inspiration when I joined AIIMS as a faculty in the discipline of pediatric, in the subspecialty of pediatric cardiology. He, along with Dr. Savitri Srivastava, set an example of excellence in academics and patient care, which I have strived to emulate over the years. Next, I would like to recognize the immense contribution of AIIMS, as it has provided me with a platform and a number of opportunities to allow me to grow and to showcase my work, not just in India, but in many countries abroad. AIIMS, as we all know, is a brand, and its faculty is expected to perform to its highest standard. I am very thankful to all my departmental colleagues, my seniors, my juniors, including residents and fellows in the department. Interacting with them in the morning meetings every day of the week over the years has been a great learning experience for me. Besides academics, these interactions have taught me many other aspects of life over the years. I know there are many more who have supported me in my journey of the last 3.5 decades, and I would like to thank all of them. But I would also like to take this opportunity to thank my family members, especially my parents, for their guidance, love, and unending support, and to my husband for always being there for me, especially during difficult times. I must share that he is the one who keeps pushing me to take new challenges in life. Last but not the least, I am indebted to all my patients and their families for giving me the opportunity to look after their loved ones and to repose trust and faith in me. I have learned from each and every patient that I have treated, and I feel very fortunate to be in this profession where I can touch the lives of so many, hopefully for the better. I hope I will continue with my efforts to achieve more than what can positively impact this society. Thanks to PCSI again, I am grateful and humbled, and I sincerely wish that PCSI scales new heights in times to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Can we all stand to respect Lifetime Achievement Award, PCSI 2021. Thank you, everyone, for joining the session.
I would like to propose an official vote of thanks. I think thanks a lot for everybody who has joined us. One of the main reasons why we ended up doing this meeting was to send a reasonable farewell, even this testing time, to these stalwarts who have made many people like me into a reasonable professional who can handle and take on the mantle to the next generation. I think thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Balram, sir, for making so many of us. And hopefully we'll be able to fill your big shoes. Hopefully we'll try our level best. And we'll try our best. Thanks a lot for everybody who joined us. We wanted a bigger canvas, a better platform, but this is what we could manage, ma'am and sir, during this testing time. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.